How to log out your account in Workana. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily log out. First of all, you must go to this website named workana.com. So this interface will pop up. Now, here on the right top, you can see this tree line icon. Simply tap on this tree line icon, and here you can find different options and settings. Here at the bottom, at the last option, you can find logout. Simply tap on logout. Now, before doing so, make sure you have your user ID and password saved because later you might need it. And now it's done. So you have successfully logged out from your account. Now you can easily log back in anytime. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.